I am waking up. I am brushing my teeth. I am taking a bath. I am getting ready. I am having breakfast. I am cleaning the house. I am cooking food. I am washing clothes. I am opening the door. I am closing the window. I am studying. I am writing notes. I am reading a book. I am using my mobile. I am working on my laptop. I am going to the office. I am waiting for the bus. I am talking on the phone. I am shopping. I am coming back home. I am watching TV. I am having dinner. I am feeling tired. I am going to sleep. I woke up. I brushed my teeth. I took a bath. I got ready. I had breakfast. I cleaned the house. I washed clothes. I opened the door. I closed the window. I studied. I wrote notes. I read a book. I used my mobile. I worked on my laptop. I went to the office. I waited for the bus. I talked on the phone. I went shopping. I came back home. I had dinner. I watched TV. I felt tired. I went to sleep. I will wake up. I will brush my teeth. I will take a bath. I will get ready. I will have breakfast. I will clean the house. I will cook food. I will wash clothes. I will open the door. I will close the window. I will study. I will write notes. I will read a book. I will use my mobile. I will work on my laptop. I will go to the office. I will wait for the bus. I will talk on the phone. I will go shopping. I will come back home. I will have dinner. I will watch TV. I will feel tired. I will go to sleep.